that go when I shoot, it's on you. That go when I shoot, it's on you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Seronia back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all this wig I got from MsCoco. Y'all, this hair, look. Y'all already know the drill. If I don't start off looking crazy and end up looking good, it ain't my video. Anyway, let's get into it. So MsCoco sent me over this hair, and y'all, I love this hair. Like, y'all already saw the previous clip where I was like super geeked about it, and I was not acting, y'all. This hair is so soft and so silky and so pretty. Oh, I love it. Anyway, this is all they gave me in the bag. I'm showing y'all, and I'm gonna just drop that bag right there because I don't want y'all to see that I already took the wig out. And they gave me this cute little headband, and boom, here go the hair. Oh, it's so pretty, y'all. So freaking pretty. They also gave me some eyelashes and a bonnet to protect my hair, because period. Alright, so I'm going to just get this net off so I could actually get into the details about the hair. And y'all, I sniffed it, like, don't judge me. And it did not stink, I promise it did not stink. But I don't like chocolate, and it smelled like chocolate. Probably because of the name Coco or something. Maybe it was all up in my head and I was tripping. But yeah. But anyway, it came with the little protector thing so I could keep the nice shape of the wig so it don't get all bent up when USPS all kicking your box around and stuff. Yeah. And then it came with 4 combs on the inside, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. And it's like one kind of in the middle of the cap, which I really like because the last headband wig, it came at the top and it made my head look really, really bulky. So I'm glad they put it in the middle. So now I'm just going to comb my hair, and y'all ignore my face because I'm tender-headed. But anyway, I'm going to comb it all out and try to get it as slick back as possible. Alright, now that I got my Dominican man ponytail slicked back, I'm just going to put on this cap. And it took me forever to put on this cap because I really did not want to mess up my hair. So I'm going to tell y'all like how to put it on without messing up your hair. So I put it as close to my hairline as possible. And then I lift it and put it over my forehead. And then I slide it back. So then it like slides all of my hair back without like messing it up, you know. Then I'm just going to comb out some of my baby hairs and my grown woman hairs because I'm missing a few from wearing frontals all the time. So yeah, I'm just gonna comb those out so I can slick them back real good. And I'm trying to get some Gorilla Snot, and it was being real stingy, so I had to go bring out the big bottle. But anyway, I'm just gonna slip my edges back. And y'all, I don't know what I was doing right here. I was trying to be all extra because I accidentally pulled out too many of my grown woman hairs. So yeah, don't even try this. If you don't know what you're doing like me, don't do it. So I forgot I was recording the video because I was recording TikTok too. But I tied down my edges with a brown stocking cap because I love the brown stocking cap, because it don't even have to be brown. I sound racist, but I like tying it down with a stocking cap because it just lays it so perfectly. And then I put the satin scarf on top just because. I don't know why, I just do it. But y'all, look at this hair. Body, yada, 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 period. You think I could get copyrighted for that? Anyway, this hair got so much body. Like, I was in love. Alright, now that I'm done looking like the black version of Dr. Evil, it's time to take these edge wraps off because your girl be getting a headache. So, I'm gonna hurry up and take those off and have my edges laid to the gauze. Period. Look at that. So whoop. Period. Exactly. Anyway, it's time to put this wig on. Alright, so I like to put my wigs on a certain type of way, so follow my lead. I like to put my side combs first. As you can see, I put it underneath my cap. Well, you can barely see it, but just know I did it. I put it underneath my cap, and then I went to the back, and I was going to put the clip first, but I decided to do the Velcro straps first. And then I like to put the bottom clip over the Velcro strap. I don't know, it just made me feel like more secure. And I didn't add the top clip in the video because I just felt like it wasn't necessary. Like with the other clips, I already felt secure, so it just wasn't necessary. And I'm just gonna get into more details about the hair. And I think they sent me over like 18 or 22 inches. I can't remember. I'll look over like all of the details and put it on the video. But I'm 5'3", and this is where it stops. And I have not straightened it yet. This is just how it came straight out the package. And yeah, that's where it stopped, like the top of my butt, a little bit on my butt back. I don't know what you want to call it. But yeah, that's just where it stopped. And y'all, look at that. Period. And I'm just going to throw on my headband just so you can see the full look of how they want it to look, which is perfect. It looks so good. And I'm just going to put on my heat protector and my silkening mist. And I'm just going to spray it all over my hair. Not too much because the hair is already like silky, so you don't want it looking like really greasy. So I just put a little bit, and I'm just going to straighten it. So as y'all can see, I did not fully straighten this hair. It was so late at night, so do not come for the little ripples and waves that you see, because I was just too tired to do the full head. But y'all, I love this hair. It's so soft. Like, look how my fingers just glide through the hair. So perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Let me get closer so y'all can see. A little stuck on my lip gloss a little bit, but y'all, this hair is so pretty and it looks so natural. It's like, thank you, MsCoco Hair, for sending over this hair. Y'all, I recommend this hair 10 out of 10. It's so soft, it's so pretty. It's Brazilian straight headband wig from MsCoco Hair. And if you order, use Seronia 10 as a promo code and you'll save money on everything that you order. It doesn't have to be this headband wig. It could be any hair you order. Just use my code and you'll save so much money. It's so effortlessly. Like, look at that. I had this hair for over a month and I use it all the time. Like, it's so pretty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you all next time.